Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. We all know that the Earth is warming up and that this is very dangerous for all of nature and living beings. One of the most significant factors which contributes to this is what we call the greenhouse effect. But, do you know what it is? Greenhouses are enclosed glass or plastic houses where plants are grown to protect them from the cold in the winter. These little houses allow the sun's rays to enter and retain the heat inside, so the plants are always warm and can grow. This same thing is happening to our planet, the Earth, but it is very bad for the Earth and for all of us too. The gases that we generate from factories and the smoke from cars and chimneys go into the atmosphere and trap the sun's heat inside the Earth, like the little glass greenhouses. This is why the Earth is getting warmer and warmer, and why nature and all living things are beginning to suffer the terrible consequences of the greenhouse effect. The ice at the poles is melting, and the polar bears and penguins, for example, are running out of places to live. This also leads to rising sea levels and flooding in many coastal cities. All of this is terribly sad. But there is still time to solve it. Many countries are starting to take action and are coming together to work as a team to help our planet. In the meantime, we, the children, can also contribute to reducing the greenhouse effect by taking care of nature and saving energy. How? Well, it's very easy. By learning to recycle, saving water, and turning off the lights, the computer, or the television when we aren't using them. There are many ways to help, but the most important thing is to know and learn about the problems in order to solve them. Goodbye, happy friends. See you in the next Happy Learning video.
Search us and subscribe to Happy Learning's YouTube channel.
Hello friends, welcome to a new Happy Learning video. What would you think if I told you that Earth has lungs like people? Well, they're not exactly like ours. They are two green lungs, full of vegetation and very, very humid. These huge lungs are the jungles of the Amazon and Southeast Asia. Look, here you can see them on this map. They are named like that because it is where the largest concentration of trees on our planet is. And as you know, trees are responsible for producing a lot of the air we breathe, capturing carbon dioxide, CO2, which is one of the main causes of the greenhouse effect. The largest lung is the Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth. It's beautiful, isn't it? Its vegetation produces more than 20% of the oxygen of our entire planet. And thousands of species of plants and animals live there that cannot be found anywhere else. Like this sloth. Oops. He's asleep. Shh. Or this anaconda, which is a giant snake that can measure up to 12 meters. It is longer than a bus. In addition, deep in the forest, there are still many tribes that have never left the jungle. They know so much about the nature that surrounds them that they are the ones who take care of it and respect it the most. If we look at the map again, we can see that the other lung of the earth breathes through the jungles of Southeast Asia, one of the oldest jungles in the world, 15 million years old. It is the home to many animals, such as this baby orangutan, this family of playful orangutans, or this majestic Sumatran tiger. It is beautiful, isn't it? Just as people cannot live without their lungs, our planet cannot live without jungles of the Amazon and Southeast Asia. However, the green lungs of our planet are in grave danger because of deforestation. Every minute, more than 10,000 trees disappear, and with them, the home of hundreds of species of animals that, if this continues, will also disappear. Deforestation is one of nature's many problems. But we still have time to solve it. Many countries are beginning to take action and meet together to work as a team to help our planet. There are many ways to help, but the most important thing is to know and learn the problems to solve them. Goodbye, friends, until the next video.
Search us and subscribe to Happy Learning's YouTube channel.
Hello, do you know who I am? I am the Earth. Yes, this very planet. And I would like to ask you for your help, as there is something that is harming me. And you, yes, you can help me. Did you know that people consume a large amount of energy daily in practically everything they do? And did you know that they are both clean and dirty energies? The dirty energies are those which release gases into the air, which cause the greenhouse effect. They come from coal, gas, and oil. The dirty energies also produce toxic residues, such as nuclear energy. When people use these energies for their cars, to heat their houses, or turn on their computers, I become more and more ill. I become hotter, and the air that surrounds me and which you breathe ceases to be pure, and that's also harmful to you. And yet, there are other types of energies that don't harm me and at the same time allow you to warm up your homes or turn on your computer. These are the clean energies, also known as renewable energy. Have you heard of them? Solar and wind energy are both clean energies. The sun and the wind produce clean energy, and thanks to them, you can continue turning on the lights or showering with hot water without harming me, without contaminating. As I want to stay clean and healthy, and I believe you do too, I'm going to ask you to make small but important changes to your lifestyle. And some of them will also give you more strength and energy. Do you want to know how you can win the battle against dirty energy? You can ask your parents to take you to school on foot or by public transport. Like that, you won't be consuming diesel oil or gasoline, which are both dirty energies. And don't forget, if you walk or ride your bicycle more often, you will become stronger and fitter. You can also take showers instead of baths, which use less water, meaning less energy to heat it. Go up and down the stairs, because the elevator also uses energy, doesn't it? If you were to do these things, and a few more that you can think of which can save energy, I will be happier and cleaner. By making intelligent decisions and working all together, we can make it happen. Because, as you know, children can make a world of difference.
Search us and subscribe to Happy Learning's YouTube channel.
Hello, friends! I'm the Earth, yes, the planet where you live, and I want to tell you about a part of me that causes great sadness. The adults call it the Third World, but in reality, what they are referring to are the poorest countries in the world. The Third World refers to Africa, Asia,